Top 3 free video call apps. Coming in at number 3 is an app that almost everyone already has on their phone, WhatsApp. If you want to call friends and family without forcing them to download a brand new app, this is your safest bet. Why it's great. First, 0 time limits. You can talk for hours and it won't cut you off. Second, it has a massive user base with billions of people using it, so you never have to ask, do you have this app? And third, top-tier privacy, because all calls are strictly end-to-end encrypted by default. The only catch? It is tied to your phone number, so it's not the best choice if you want to keep your personal number private from strangers or business clients. At number 2, we have the king of cross-platform reliability, Google Meet. Google completely overhauled this app to bridge the gap between casual chatting and professional meetings. Why it's great. It runs flawlessly, whether you are jumping between an iPad, an Android tablet, or a desktop browser. It also has epic features like built-in AI background noise cancellation and live real-time captions, so you can understand everyone perfectly. Plus, you get unlimited one-on-one calling times, and group calls can go up to 60 minutes entirely for free. The catch here is that everyone on the call needs a Google account to log in. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the best-kept secret in free video calling, Jitsi Meet. If you absolutely hate heavy app downloads, software installations, or paying for premium upgrades, this is the holy grail. Why it's great. While the person hosting the call now needs to quickly log in with a Google or Facebook account to create a room, your friends and clients can jump in without making any accounts or downloading anything at all. It is also 100% free and unlimited, with no weird 40-minute cutoffs like Zoom. Best of all, it is fully open source and respects your digital privacy completely. If you need to hop on a quick call without forcing the other person to go through a complex account registration, Jitsi is hands down the best option available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.